Hello. In this video, I'm going to give you some very interesting insights about quantum healing, which is a very new but very powerful healing modality. And a lot of people across the globe are very curious these days to understand what is quantum healing and what are the possibilities that one can explore by use of quantum healing. In this video, I'm going to give you some interesting insights about how quantum healing works as compared to the other healing methods or the other methods of treating any health issue. You see, whenever it comes to managing any health issue, there are multiple ways in which people choose to do that. Some people choose conventional medicine called allopathy, some choose surgery, some go for Ayurveda, some go for naturopathy or nutrition therapy. Some people choose homeopathy, some try alternate healing methods such as acupressure, acupuncture. There are so many healing modalities that are known. You see, each healing method works at a different level, and according to that, the results of every healing modality varies. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how quantum healing stands in comparison with the other healing methods. But for that, let me give you an understanding of what are the different levels at which different healing methods or treatment methods work. Now, we all know that if anything in this universe has to be corrected, any problem has to be corrected, we essentially need to go at least one level below to the root cause and then initiate a correction there. For example, if we have to treat a body, a physical body, then essentially we need to go one level deeper in order to do the treatment. And that is exactly what a surgeon would do. A surgeon works at an organ level, okay, or a physical level, which is one level below the level of the existence of any organism. So if you want to treat a physical body, you need to go down at least to an organ level to do the treatment. And that's what a surgeon does. Or people who work even at an organ level are people like physiotherapists, chiropractors, physical therapy, all kinds of physical therapy. These are all methods which use treatment at an organ level. Now, if we want even better healing than this, then we need to go further one level deeper below the organ level to the cellular level. And that is where therapies such as nutrition therapy, naturopathy, Ayurveda, these are therapies which work at the cellular level by ensuring that the cells become healthy, by maintaining the right balance of nutrition and the constituents at a cellular level. Now, if you want even better quality healing, we need to go below the cellular level to an atom level. And that is where conventional medicine comes into picture. So conventional medicine works at an atom level. So things like the common drugs and medicines that we use, steroids, allopathy in general, all works at an atom level, where medicines are given in order to trigger a change in the body at an atomic level. Now, if you want even better healing than that, you need to go below the atom to a subatomic particle level or a nanoparticle level. Now, that is where the method of homeopathy works. So homeopathy goes down to the nanoparticle level, and that is where it tries to trigger a change in the body. So people who know homeopathy, they know that how those homeopathy medicines are created by the method of successive repetitive dilution, and thereby they create those nanoparticles which help in the healing. Now, if you want even better healing than that, then you need to go further below the nanoparticle. And below the nanoparticle, there are waves. So waves essentially, when they intersect, create the particle at the point of intersection. And therefore, if you want to go below the nanoparticle, then you need to go down to a wave level and then do the treatment. And that is exactly where treatments such as radiation therapy, sound therapy, light therapy, mantra therapy, or even healing methods such as Reiki, all of these, they work at the waveform level. Now, if you want even better healing than the wave level, you need to go below the wave. And that is where things become very interesting, because below the wave, there is nothing. A wave needs essentially stillness for it to be created. So if you go below the wave level, there is nothingness. There is complete emptiness. There is a complete vacuum. There is practically a state of nothingness. And therefore, if you want the deepest level of human existence, if you want to access that level, you need to go below the wave to a state of nothingness. And there, at this state of nothingness, if you trigger the healing process at this state of nothingness, then the beauty is that everything above this level simply starts changing right in that moment, and you are able to get healing results almost immediately. So if we go down to this state of nothingness called as the 0 point state, a state of absolute nothing, and we trigger a change there, we drop an intention of healing there, it immediately creates a change in the wave. That creates a change at the particle level, which creates a change at the atom level, and then therefore a change at the cellular level, which leads to a change at the organ level, and then the body starts recovering. And people have told me during quantum healing sessions that I do that they start experiencing physical changes in their body within minutes of connecting with me. So when I go down to the 0 point state of stillness and I connect with people, practically within 30 seconds, very often they tell me that they have started experiencing vibrations, tingling, shifting, movement, twitching, flow, some kind of release from the body. People tell me that physically bones start moving inside, and sometimes it is so distinct movement that I can even see it on the video camera when I'm doing remote healing sessions. So all of this happens almost instantly, and the body starts correcting itself using its own intelligence. The beauty of quantum healing, healing at the state of nothingness, is that you are not providing anything externally in the form of a medicine or in the form of a trigger apart from your consciousness. And therefore, the body and the universe together use its own intelligence in order to do the healing. And therefore, this is the best quality of healing that you would ever come across, because there is no external input at all. You just can't go wrong. There is no doctor who could probably make a mistake. There is no therapist who is probably giving you an input which could go wrong. It's only pure consciousness, and the body and the universe just does whatever is required to get the healing process done. Results are absolutely amazing, unbelievable, and you need to actually experience a quantum healing session in order to believe it. Till the time people are not exposed to the experience of quantum healing, they'll keep calling it as nonsense or bullshit or woo-woo or some kind of mumbo-jumbo and crazy stuff. But the day you experience a session on quantum healing, you will know the effect of it. You will understand what exactly is happening. And if you connect with me, I'll also explain to you the science of quantum healing. What is the concept behind quantum healing? I've tried to explain it to you partially in this video. But if you want to understand it deeper, then you need to understand the double slit experiment. What is something about quantum physics, how awareness creates a change in reality, how we can access the deepest level of existence, what are the principles of healing, principles such as Vat, Pitta, and Kapha, which are the foundation of the Indian medical system of Ayurveda. How does the body heal itself? What are healing indicators? All of these things are important to learn if anyone wants to do energy healing. Trust me, this is a very interesting healing modality. We are all born with this ability to do quantum healing. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to, get attunement or, have a certain background. We all are born with the ability to access our consciousness and use it to go down to the 0 point. Maybe you'll just need a little bit of guidance. For that, I have a course on quantum healing, which the link for which I am giving at the end of this video. You can have a look at my website, www.instanthealingtherapy.com. Go to my website there. There's a link to my blog where there are a lot of articles on healing, on quantum healing. There is a course on quantum healing, my masterclass, 11-hour masterclass, and I keep adding more content. So it keeps getting bigger every now and then. So there's a very detailed masterclass. I also teach another healing modality called heart energy healing. That's an amazing healing technique as well. You can go to my website, have a look at the content, have a look at what people say about that course. and do connect with me if you have any queries. My contact details are there on the website. I would be more than happy to help anyone who is interested in learning more things about quantum healing and practicing it, either for a health issue which you have, or if you want to become a healer and you want to help others in healing their health issues, you can do that as well. This technique works remotely, so you can be at any part of the world and still do treatment for anybody else across the globe. So I urge you to explore this wonderful healing technique. Please be connected with me. I'll be more than happy to help you in whatever way I can. Thank you. God bless.